Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money with affiliate marketing by utilizing Sniply.io platform. For me personally, this is very powerful tools in order to facilitate the process of making money with affiliate, right? So it requires only 4 steps, very simple step, which is find your affiliate offer. Number 2, create a content. You don't have to freak out yet, because if you don't own any content, I'm going to share with you how to get it for free. We're going to leverage other people's content in ethical way, and we're not going to get banned or whatsoever. Okay, so stick with me. Number 3 is we're going to create Sniply call to action. This is when the magic happens, guys. For me, Sniply.io is very powerful, and we're going to leverage these very powerful tools that Sniply has, the features, the very powerful features that I'm about to reveal to you in order to facilitate the entire process of making money. And number 4, which is the most important thing, we are going to get a ton of traffic. I'm going to reveal to you where you can find a very laser targeted traffic in order to convert all those visitors and audience into a sale. Okay, so stick with me until the end of this video. So before we start, if you just came across to this video, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, and subscribe to my channel if you could find any value throughout this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right into our content. Number 1 is find an affiliate offer. So I'm going to be utilizing clickbank.com. So it's absolutely okay if you want to leverage other platforms such as JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or maybe Digistore. It's completely okay, but in this particular video, I'm going to use Clickbank. As you can tell, Clickbank pay you almost most of the product, going to pay you 75% of the commission, which is, for me personally, it is insane amount of a commission. It's very high commission, so that is why I love Clickbank.com so much. Okay, so I'm going to promote text-to-speech software. So I'm going to reveal to you the software. This is the software. Most of the YouTubers need this software because it is a human voice, 100% human voice software, text-to-speech. What you need to do is literally paste your text and choose a voice and then generate and download. Most YouTubers need this, so I'm going to leverage this powerful software. I'm going to promote this powerful software to a YouTuber or whoever interested to make money with YouTube. Okay, so that is the offer. And then number 3, we're going to create number 2, create content. Okay, so we're going to find a blog post that share or teach how to make money on YouTube. Okay, so I have came across a blog post, which is this one over here, this one. Okay, so this is the blog post, how to make money on YouTube, 6 effective strategies. And I find that this blog post is very in-depth blog post, in-depth tutorial, and so somebody who are interested to make money with YouTube, they probably going to find this blog post interesting. And then we are going to have a pop-up link from Sniply over here, and if they wanted to learn more, I'm going to promote SpeechLow. Okay, SpeechLow on the bottom left corner over here, and then that is when the magic happen, which is we're going to embed that shorten link with our affiliate offer, and when people click, and they're going to redirect to my affiliate offer over here. Okay, so that's number 2, create content. And I'm going to utilize somebody else's content, and if you have your own content about the affiliate product that you want to promote, it is absolutely okay. You can actually use your own content as well. Okay, so number 3, create Sniply call to action. Okay, head off to Sniply.io. So this is a brand new account I just created a couple of minutes ago. It is absolutely free to get signed up, but it has some limitation, which is you can only drive 1,000 click per month. But I think this is more than enough already. Okay, it has a paid version, which is if you pay like $29, you can have more than 1,000, if I'm not mistaken, around 5,000 per month. But it's completely okay. If you just started, you can sign up with free account, and when you get some sale, you can actually upgrade to the paid version. Okay, so what we are going to do next is I'm going to go to the article. This is the original article. All right, so I'm sorry, excuse me. I'm going to copy the entire URL, and I'm going to go here and simply paste it here and create snip. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is you're going to land over to the next page, which is this one. So you can actually put your brand or your avatar here, but I'm not going to do that now. Just going to show you. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to choose that one and then click the button. Okay, so this is where you can put your message. So I'm going to type in something along, because I'm going to sell the YouTube, right? YouTube software, I mean speech low software. I'm going to type in something along the line of do you want to make money on YouTube? Okay, so they're going to appear like this. Okay, so this is my call to action, which is click here, and this is where this is so important. You don't want to miss this out, right? Otherwise you'll not be able to make any money. So what you need to do is you need to paste your affiliate link over here. So I'm going to head off to ClickBank again. So this is the product that I want to promote. Just click promote, and this is affiliate link generator, generate hot link, and then I'm going to simply click copy and head off to the Sniply bag, and then I'm going to paste it here. Paste. Okay, so I'm going to click continue, and I just leave it as it is, and then I'm going to finish the CTA. Okay, it's alive. All right, let's preview the link. All right, so just want to recap. This is my this is the original content, and let's take a look what it is look like. So this is the content that has embedded or has shortened with the link from Sniply. Okay, so as you can see here, do you want to make money on YouTube? It's very stand out, guys. This is so powerful. So you can actually adjust the color and a little bit more on the setting, but I want to do that because I don't want to make this video too long. So I just want to show you some examples. So when people land over to this article, and when they go through consume all this article, and they find this article is very helpful and they want to learn more, or you can just simply put here you want to learn more and click here. Want to learn more to make money on YouTube, click here. Right, so when people interested to make money on YouTube, they want to learn more in depth about how to make money on YouTube, they're going to click. Right, so let's take a look. If I click on that particular link, I'm going to redirect to my affiliate offer, which is speech low. Okay, speech hello offer. Okay, so this is the offer. So if someone interested, they're going to click buy, and you're going to get commission. So I hope it makes sense, the entire process of how everything's work. Okay, so find offer, create content, create Sniply. So now we are going to drive how to drive tons of targeted traffic to your affiliate offer, because without traffic you probably not be able to make any dime, right? So this is very crucial. So in order to do that, we are going to utilize a site called, a very powerful site by the way, called Quora.com. Okay, so head off to Quora. So this is the site that I'm talking about. For those of you who haven't heard this platform yet, Quora is actually a question and answer based platform. Okay, so the reason why I say this is very powerful and very laser targeted platform, because so many people who wanted to solve their problem, if they have any question related to, regardless of whatever niche or whatever topic, they can land over to Quora, and then they can ask any question. For example, how do I reach my first impression or RPM on Amazon affiliate, right? So is there any tool to rank a Fiverr gig, and etc. As you can tell, there are a bunch of questions available on Quora, and if someone, you and me, who wanted to who have some knowledge about this particular question, we can just simply click answer, and then you can answer, right? And the best part is at the end of your answer, for example, if I type in something here, so at the end of the answer I can put, if you want to learn more, click here. Okay, this is allowed on Quora. Okay, it shouldn't be any problem as long as you're not spamming the answer. You can actually do that. Okay, so now what we are going to do actually, based on my product that I am promoting, which is related to YouTube, I'm going to find a question related to YouTube, of course. Okay, how to make money. So the article that we how to make money on YouTube, right? So how to make money on YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to press enter, and I'm pretty sure there are a bunch of related question related to YouTube. See, how do I earn through YouTube? How can one make quick money with YouTube, and etc, etc. As you can tell, as you can see, there are so many questions related to YouTube. All these questions I can answer, all the questions, and then I can link those people who are reading my answer back to the article over here, which is this one. Which is this one, right? So what I can do is I will copy this link and then head off to Quora. For example, if I want to answer this question, so I'm going to click to the question, and as you can see, follow the followers for this particular content is 1,300. So means that 1,300 are interested to make money on YouTube, and they have been following this question because they want to keep update with all the answer. All right, so as you can tell, Boris Rykov over here, this is by far the most popular answer on this particular question, and 7,300 people already viewed the answer, and 32 of them has outvoted this answer. Means that people find it very, very useful, and people upvote this answer. But unfortunately, this guy over here, he didn't put any link that he could actually drive all these viewers to, right? It's such a waste actually. For my opinion, this is such a waste, because he could actually leverage this 7,300 people. If only 20% or 30% out of this amount go to purchase their affiliate offer, they could probably make a lot of money already, right? So what we are going to do next is I'm going to answer this question. For example, edit draft, because I already do it before. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to put answer. You can answer just like 300, 400 answer, a very short but very valuable, because our objective is we wanted to drive them to our content, which is actual content, which is the content over here, right? We want them to read this content, because this is where we want to drive them to. Okay, so I'm going to, for example, just for the sake of showing you an example, I'm going to type in something. I have a full, and then I'm going to paste my article link, right, which is from Sniply .io. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste. Okay, just copy and paste like that. Okay, but this is too short, guys. I highly recommend you to write at least 450 to 600 words of answers, so that you don't like a spam, because I'm afraid Quora not going to publish your content if they think you are spamming. Okay, so that's why you need to craft a little bit your answer to make it natural. Or you can actually read the whole article of the whole blog post, and then you can summarize what is this blog post is all about, and then you can write the answer over here. And then at the end of your answer, you can put a call to action. If you want to learn more, just click the link below, something like that. Okay, and that is when you can drive a lot of traffic to your answer, to your affiliate offer. I hope it makes sense, guys. So this is very, very powerful. Let's see what other people's have answer. For example, this one over here, let's take a look. This guy over here has 11 upvoted and 1,800 people already views. So if 20% out of 1,800 would be somewhere around 300 plus person, and if 10% of the 300 people who are click on your link end up purchase your affiliate offer, it's end up with 30 people purchasing your affiliate offer already. So if one of your affiliate offer brings you like $10 of commission, you could simply make 300, 250 or 300 in affiliate commission for free, right? So this is really, really powerful, guys. I can stress you know how important Sniply, snip.ly platform. This is very, very powerful. So I hope you can leverage, you can and I hope also you can see some result by leveraging this particular tactic and strategy. So guys, I hope you enjoy my content. That's all. Thank you for watching. And if you have something if you would like to share anything, just comment down below. And don't forget to try this method. I think this is a very powerful method on how to make money with affiliate marketing by leveraging Sniply.io. Okay, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.